Number 3 is carried by 6 of them. So I'll just read maybe one because of time, or 2. Kuoma Charity Bahoya Buyanzi, Holy Family Misihu Girls Primary School. The next is Mbogwa Sharon Wairimu Muteti, Emmanuel Academy. Number 5, which is also with 3 points, it's Muteti Chantel Ndinda, Kitengela International School. Another one is 426 is Stanley Otieno Mondi, Rofinfield Junior Secondary School. Number 7, also with which is basically number 3, Wekesa Naomi, White Star Academy. Number 8, Kimani Ethan Karuga, Stepping Stones Preparatory, also with 426. Then the rest 4 are with 425, and the first one is Njeru Joel Junior Musioka. Njeru Joel Junior Musioka, Nyagwa Primary School. Then Kirinya Murioki Victor, PCEA Mwimbi Boarding Primary School. Second last one, Diana Rose Natolo, First Beth Academy. And finally, Kaberia Emmanuel Munene, New Bambini.